Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to deliver the perfect webinar presentation over and over again without ever being there. That's right, thanks to EverWebinar, you can achieve flawless webinars on autopilot in high-definition glory on any device. Imagine this, no more pixelated streaming or choppy frame rates. Whether you're pre-recording your webcam, sharing your screen, presenting slides, or anything in between, EverWebinar broadcasts it all in superb HD, 30 frames per second. Your audience will get a top-notch experience every single time. Now, let's talk scheduling. EverWebinar's flexible scheduling system lets you set up recurring sessions or pick specific dates and times. You can tailor your webinars to fit any time zone, making it super convenient for your audience, no matter where they are. Speaking of convenience, how about on-demand webinars? With EverWebinar, there's no waiting, no scheduling, no delay. Your attendees can find a session about to start in just a few minutes. It's like they've arrived at the perfect time. And if they don't want to wait, they can jump right into a replay or join an ongoing session instantly. And let's not forget about the seamless integration with Webinar Jam. With just one click, you can import a live webinar from Webinar Jam and convert it into an evergreen event. Everything gets replicated exactly as it happened. Every chat line, poll, slide, product offer, it's like magic. We call this feature Replica Replay, and it's simply amazing. But wait, there's more. EverWebinar's hybrid webinar feature allows you to handle real-time questions while the presentation runs on autopilot. Your attendees will never know it's pre-recorded, and you can engage with them live, making it feel like a real-time interaction. You can even staff a team member to manage the live chat for you. Want to know your audience better? Use polls and surveys to quiz them or understand their needs. Whether you're coaching, consulting, training, or teaching, interacting with your users is always beneficial, even if it's not live. And when it's time to make your offer, EverWebinar makes it simple and eye-catching. Pop up a visually captivating offer right in front of your audience and watch them take instant action. You can even infuse urgency with limited copies or an expiration countdown. Plus, keep your subscribers in the loop with our full email and SMS systems. Schedule reminders to ensure registrants never miss your events and craft follow-up emails based on their actions during the webinar. Lastly, make your webinars feel real with dynamic attendance. Simulate natural behavior by adjusting attendance peaks and troughs, or hide attendance levels entirely. And with our gorgeous point-and-click landing pages, you can fire your web designer and choose from professionally designed templates that are built to convert. So what are you waiting for? Start delivering perfect webinars without ever being present, and let EverWebinar handle the rest. See you at your next webinar on autopilot. Thanks for watching.